In addition to being underrepresented in almost every part of the economy in various areas, apart from, yes, the community area and the household area and informal work, women are virtually absent as owners, as controllers, and as key managers in key sectors of our economy, be it in the engineering sector, be it in mining, be it also in agriculture, be it in steel, even in automotives, women are absent. The unemployment rate amongst women is nearly 37%, compared to 32% amongst men. In 2018, women's median monthly earnings were 76% of those of men, meaning men were earning much higher. Now, these disparities are not only the product of a profoundly imbalanced economy, an economy that is not firing on all cylinders. They also arise from and contribute to gender inequality in society. And there is another reason why this initiative, this economic assembly, is so important. The economic empowerment of women is one of the pillars of our national strategic plan of gender-based violence and femicide. By improving the economic circumstances of women, we are reducing their vulnerability to abuse as well as to violence. By being economically dependent on male partners, women have a far better chance of getting out of an abusive relationship. A woman that is in charge of her economic future is a woman with power over her own life. If we can ensure that women and girls have tangible control over their futures and well-being, then we will have achieved something great. If we can make sure that they will no longer earn less money, and this is one thing that really bothers me, that we have continued to be an economy where men earn much more than women, whereas they do, in many cases, they do exactly the same work. That type of discrimination has to come to an end, and we must all work together to bring it to an end, both in government as well as in the economy.